Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So last week I showed you how to make these earrings that are in the picture. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. It's just a different technique. So the list of materials will be in the description box. So to start off, I laid out my fabric, and then using this round little thing, this is actually from a deodorant bottle, I just started like marking circles. So all in all I used 16 of these, so I marked 16 circles. And then I just cut them out using my regular scissors. So using my fabric glue, this is a silicone based fabric glue, I folded them in half to make sort of like little squares, and then I just put the glue in the middle and folded them. So the glue was kind of slow drying, so I had to continuously like go back and press them to make them squares. And then after that I started putting some glue onto the edges or the corners, and then try to arrange them into like a little flower. So for each flower, like I said, I used about 8 of these little things, but if you want to make them bigger, you can definitely use like maybe 12. And then I cut 2 equal pieces of chain, and then using a needle and thread, I just sewed them right onto the center of the little flower thing. Then lastly, I inserted earring hooks and some jump rings onto the little chain. So as you can see, it makes like a nice delicate round flower kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, this is good now. Okay. Wow. Wow.